Alright, we're gonna play hide and seek with the food. Put one over here in the dark. I'll take one. I'll hide it. This is Christmas. With a Christmas tree. And put one on the chair. And put in the corner over here. There we go. Now, have fun. Kitty! Meow meow! What is it?